Story has always spoken to me, even as a kid, like sitting around, my dad had the most incredible stories. And growing up, I always used to sit there and be like, what am I going to tell my kids? I just basically came up with a motto that was really simple, and in my mind it was very self-serving. It was just simply do it for the story. That's what I came up with one day at the age of 18. And I had no idea that that would ridiculously change my life and kind of bring me down this road of collecting stories. And it's been exciting, and what's been amazing is God speaks to me through story. And it's kind of I think God speaks to everybody through story. I think we've spent much of the Christian world, much of the world in general, you know, we think that we learn things through lesson plans and point forms and bullet points and sermons and whatever you want to call it, but I actually think life is 100% about story. Everything about life is story. It's a really simple, fun book. It's an easy read, so if you're not a reader, you can just go and watch the movies that were made around the book, watch the videos. If you like the videos, go read the book. If you read the book and you don't like going to films, then there's something wrong with you. But it's all right, you don't have to go to the videos. But they work together, they work apart. You know, I think the book really gives context for the videos, but you don't need one for the other.